project for you, which you should do. This is a testnet, pi square testnet, where you can just be doing just a simple task. This is a very simple task project right now. This is the most simplest crypto project that I have ever done. So this is how it goes. Fast decentralized verifiable Web3 infra beyond blockchain. Pi Square is building the first fully decentralized Web3 infrastructure that deliver 100,000 plus TPS sub 100 milliseconds finality and is verifiable by design, and they are backed by leading investor. You can see leading investor on age Polychain, Wagme, Block Accelerate, Generative Ventures, Robot Ventures, Samsung, Nest, Eons Venture, Borderless, Mavi 11, Fembuship Capital, Hypersphere, Multiverse, Tezos Foundation, Wave Digital Assets. As you can see, they are backed by a lot of top investors. They are backed by a lot of top investors. You can read more about them here. You can read more about them. You can know more about them. But where we are going to right now in this video is that I'm going to show you how to do the needful, what you need to be doing on it always. This is what you're going to be doing. Check the description of this video to come to this page right here. So when you come to this page, the first thing you need to do is to click up here, this gear button right here. Click on it, then you are going to see a wallet. They are going to give you automatic wallet address like this and private key. Copy your wallet address into somewhere, copy your private key somewhere also. Just copy it, then click on import private key. Paste your private key here, the imported private key. Paste it there, paste it in here. The private key you import, just click on import private key, then the private key you copy, paste it here, then click on confirm. When you confirm it, that is it. Immediately you are going to see a lot of some set of tokens right here. They are going to line up right here for you. They are going to line up right here for you, as you can see. So all you need to do is you can just select, come here again, copy your wallet address, copy. As you can see, I've copied it. Now paste it in here. Paste the wallet address in here. So when you paste your wallet address here, or if you have other people's wallet address, you can just paste it there. So what you need to do is to just click on assets. You can do transaction with any of these assets. USDC, let me just use USDC. Then I'm going to use just one USDT. So firstly, you need to just try your best to do up to 100 transactions. It's very simple. This is how it works. Just click on it. You will just be clicking on it. As you can see, one transaction go, click on it again, another transaction will be gone. Sometimes it will be more faster than this. Click on it, as you can see, another is go, another is gone. Just do it 100 times. That means you have positioned yourself. You can do with any of this. You can do with any of this. If you want to do transaction with Bitcoin, just click on small, just you can just do 0.0000 something Bitcoin, and you can also increase you can top up your testnet coin here. You can just top it up, click on it, click on the plus sign to top them up when you are doing your transaction. So this is all what you'll be doing on this site. After that, you can click here, click on go to explorer, go to explorer. So wait for the explorer to load, then you can view your transaction there on the explorer. If you want to view your transaction on the explorer, just copy your wallet address, then go to the explorer, then paste it. Even though you did not paste it, as you can see, my own has come up right now. So the transaction that I've done today you can see everything. I've done even 100, another 100 transaction already. Today you can see it. So this is it. You can see it. So that is just what you will be doing on this project. That is all for now. So that is all for now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. You can also join their Discord account, their Discord channel. Join it, check the description of this video, you will see everything. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.